So let's go and write our first code. So what we can build here is that we have lots of HTML tags. For most of them, it's like H1s, like it is like a text, for example, hi. And we have a H2. It is like heading 1, heading 2. When you're writing assignment, we have a different size of text. So it will default give us the easy way to do it. And we have a paragraph. Yeah, you can write stuff like this, or like this, gibberish, anything you want. So it will show it right here. It is a order list, which is done by order. For example, we will give a couple of links. It will lists. It will go to order like 1, 2, 3. If we don't want to this number, we can just change it to unordered list. It will be look like this. So this one is unordered list. So when we're building if you're seeing the most websites have this kind of list, it is done by using ordered list or unordered list. So let's go ahead and build inside lists. For example, if we want to one list inside another list, we're gonna build like this. So for example, test, yeah. Let's don't waste time thinking about what kind of stuff we can write inside. It goes like this, right? Let me see. Yeah, it really should. Yeah. We also have to show it is an ordered list, or we want ordered list again. If you go put this inside here, it shows like this. So in test we have another 2 tests, like different kind of. So let's start to build something form, and we can write like first name, and then input. What? Yeah, we want text. So if it is good, we can write a text. And what else we need? We need surname. We need surname. Last name. And if we want to break stuff, we can do like this. It will shown as a like a column. Yeah. And we need emails of the people. Email. And input means like the space that you are seeing inside there. That's in, and also in here you can see text will be just a text, but in email people should not give just this. We need email. So in order to do it, we should have to show what kind of type we want. It means for example, it really wants what kind of stuff we want to put inside this input text. So password also have to be unique, because nobody should saw what we are writing. So it means in input we have to show that is a password. So it will be like, oh yeah, it will be not shown like this. So let's go ahead and build some genders too. Okay, it will be gender, and we will in like, can we just break it, and it will be input. It will be checkbox. So inside the checkbox, we have to show what kind of checkbox is it. It is like, for example, male. Oh, it's kind of male, and we have females. Checkbox, and we have female. So as you can see, we built the checkbox. They can check it and build car. In car, we will build. So everybody getting me right, and this will be also in YouTube. So this I'm showing it because we have a class tomorrow that everybody can understand at least something that we are writing right now. Because to be familiar with, because we will talk about this in others too. For example, inside the club, we will talk and write a code inside there because we have our computers there, so we can practice. So it will look like this. So if you put the second one, it will be okay. It will be what? Yeah. So we can, we have to specify the buttons and then it will work. Yeah, got it. Let's try it. We will give after this, we need the buttons. For example, if we want to register or restart, if we made some mistake. So let's see. Inside the section, we'll specify the input, submit, and we give a name of it. It will be name, will be value, and just reg, yeah. So it should be going right there. Yeah, it's working. So, and we need a, okay. And also we need input reset. So this button will be for reset. Yeah. When we are writing, it's asking we have to give an email. It's not like, it's not just a text. We need something like this. So then it will allow us. See, if we went and open that I did inside there, almost the same stuff. Yeah, let's run it and see. Run. Inside there, if you want to like put something like this, like some words and passwords, like we can choose it here, male or female. Yeah, so like if we register it, it will go right here that our data will enter. So inside in action, it means we can send this data to the database or other way. So it will keep all the data and give us access to use later on. So you read it like this. So let's build a simple website right now. Okay. In order to build a website, we need some, what is it called? Let's build a website. So we understood this one. Like HTML, it's like a skeleton of your website. So if you want to build, and also I have to mention that we have different types of HTMLs. HTML5 is the last one. So if you go to HTML5 in W3 School, so they will show us the new tags that we can use. That we can use like easily. You don't have to memorize all of them because it's a waste of your time. Just need to learn like useful that most use it or something like this. For example, when you are learning English, you don't learn every word, isn't it? So let's go ahead and see how we can build a website. So let's build some simple website using HTML and CSS. So we need a header for our first, how to say, first in the top, and it will be an ordered list. Inside unordered list, we need just a list. So inside the list, we will have some words, yeah, like home button, and we will have, what else we will have? We will have home button, about, and frequently asked question. And let's build also some sections. Section. Inside the section, we will give some paragraph. Paragraph 2, like home, and some text. So it was shift or tab, or, oh yeah, like text. And as you can see, we have HTML, so we can customize it by gradually, for example, giving the what things we can change. For example, color. I use for coloring, I use this is a very practical one. So if you want to choose some colors, if you don't know what kind of color you want, you just change the circle and choose the what color if you want to have inside your website. It will help you to match and how to say collaborate colors with each other. For example, inside, let's give this color. So this is called hex RGB color. We will use this one because it's easier. So we put a hashtag button and put it so it color will change automatically. Yeah, can you see it right here? And then if you want to change the color of the H2, also it will be and change it like this. Boom. Yeah, it's changing. Let's put some background picture. So body have a background picture. So background color image. We just want image, not just the color. It will be a URL. Inside URL, we will put a picture, what kind of picture we want. You can search the internet and find one and put it inside here. So yeah, and we have to show the how should be. It's called image size, background image size, background image background size, cover. So do the cover stuff, and if you want to home button H2 in the center, we just write text align center. So it should go to right there. Yeah, and if you want to add a border, we can write border and give a border some size, for example, 2 pixels, and solid, and give a color, like what kind of color we can give. Let's see the palette. Okay, let's give some kind of color like this. So let's go. So like this, we can build a websites. It's easy. So I'm just showing how the HTML and CSS like will be looking and how easy it is. So this is for now just introduction for you to not waste time and talking about general stuff. It is like, what is like coding? Is it like if you first time coders, or if you're coding all the time, it's just for reminder how it works. If you will come to next lesson, we're gonna see deeply how we can build websites and other stuff.